Hey Stacy fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you another amazing tutorial. So guys, this is the look I actually created on my client for her birthday. So guys, let's get started. As you can see guys, I'm already lining her brows and I used the pencil from Davis in shade 18. Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to go in and highlight our brows. Okay, so for our highlighter I'm going to be using LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to highlight the down part. Then the upper part of our brows I'm going to go in with a darker shade of that same LA Girl in the shade Toffee. So right now I'm just using my eyebrow gel like to kind of make the brow look more natural. As you can see guys, I hope you guys are actually enjoying this tutorial. So guys, don't mind the camera, the position we stayed guys wasn't really too clear. I didn't notice until I finished recording, okay, because the weather was really hot and we're actually sitting in my client's balcony, but the view there was not really good, but I didn't notice, like I said earlier. So guys, I'm done with the brows. What I'm just doing right now is to use a brush, kind of a fluffy brush, to clean the brows. Then right now I'm going in to work on the eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm using Morphe eyeshadow palette. As you can see, I have my Morphe, and I'm just using a kind of small fluffy brush to also work on the outer corner. So the shade is kind of dark brown, just like to give it that rough look a little bit. Then now what I'm doing is I'm using my eyeshadow primer to kind of cut the crease that I'm going to need. Actually, you know, some clients, they have deeper crease, some their crease is just kind of small, so it all depends on the kind of eyelid your client you are working on. So you just know the right position to cut your crease. So guys, I'm actually done cutting a crease, and I used kind of a gold eyeshadow, but it's not really that kind of shiny gold. So right now I'm going in with a darker shade of that same brown to darken the outer corner to give it that kind of flawless look. Okay, so that is the major thing I'm doing right now guys. So next I'm just using my liquid liner to line her eyes. Okay, so the next step guys, I just use a mascara to kind of cover all the you know, when you are using kind of eyeshadow, it will stay a natural eyelash. So before you actually apply that false lashes, it's always good for you to use the mascara so that it will darken it. So whenever you apply the false lashes, you don't have to kind of the down of it to be showing, you'll be seeing eyeshadow, it will look kind of rough. So that is just the major reason why it's good for you to always use your mascara to kind of use it on your natural lashes before you use your false lashes. So next step, I'm just applying the face foundation, which is from Zikel. This foundation is nice. Like I said before, this foundation is a bomb. So guys, the next step, then I'm just going to go in to highlight the face, the area I want to bake and all that. As you can see, I'm already highlighting the area that I want to bake later. So, and I'm also using LA gear. You guys know I love LA gear and I use it so much. So when I'm done highlighting, then I'm just going to go in with my liquid contour, which is also from LA gear in the shade Espresso. So guys, I will see you all later. So far, this is the end of the tutorial. As you can see guys, the position she is right now, you notice that the face is kind of clearer than the way it was before. That's because she kind of changed position. She moved a little bit and the sun actually was also going down. Okay, but this makeup guys, I don't know, the video spoiled everything, but the makeup was really gorgeous on her and she loved it so much. So I'm just trying to maintain a wig for her, to try to kind of put a little bit of concealer at the middle to make that closure look more natural and all that. So I did the hairstyling and all that because my client, she was really amazing and I enjoyed working with her. In fact, this look is amazing. Guys, look, You see that we changed position to kind of make this final look video, and it was awesome and I loved it. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial, and I thank you all for your support. You guys are amazing, because without you guys I am nothing, because I can't do it on my own. Thank you, Stacy fam. I appreciate all your time. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.